Welcome to this video guide on how to connect your smart refrigerator to your phone. We will walk you through the technical steps for both Samsung and LG systems. Your smart fridge functions as a digital hub. It allows you to manage food inventory, track energy usage, control cooling remotely, and receive important system alerts. To prepare, ensure you have a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network available. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone and create your brand-specific user account before beginning. Select the correct ecosystem for your device. Samsung refrigerators use the SmartThings app, while LG models use the ThinQ app. Both require an iOS or Android device. The connection process involves a universal handshake. The app locates the appliance, the phone sends network credentials, the fridge connects to the router, and the cloud link is secured. To start the sequence, open your mobile app, tap the plus icon, select Add Device, and choose the refrigerator category from the list. The primary setup method is scanning a QR code. Simply open the fridge door, locate the sticker, and scan it with your phone to automatically register the device. If scanning fails, you can activate Samsung AP mode. Hold the fridge button for 5 to 10 seconds until the display shows AP or 0 for manual setup. For LG manual setup on iOS, connect your phone directly to the LG Smart Network in your Wi-Fi settings using the specified password, which is the last 4 characters repeated twice. For Samsung Family Hub integration, swipe down on the fridge screen, select Connections, tap Easy Connection, and enter the displayed PIN into your mobile app. Finally, finalize the network link by selecting your home Wi-Fi network within the app and entering your router password to secure the connection. This matrix summarizes the key differences between Samsung and LG ecosystems regarding apps, network bands, manual triggers, and specific platform quirks. If you encounter issues, troubleshoot by verifying your 2.4 GHz band, checking your network password, or moving your router closer to the kitchen. Beyond basic control, smart fridges leverage AI to identify food ingredients, suggest personalized recipes, and optimize energy consumption by managing compressor cycles. In summary, prepare your 2.4 GHz network, use the correct app, and follow the digital handshake procedures to successfully connect your smart refrigerator.